You're gonna come on spring break now. You're gonna be joining.
Spring break is tomorrow at 12.
No. Christina's gonna be here on spring break.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, everybody who nods. So Samira and Horace are also gonna be here for spring break. No, I'm just kidding, Christina. Spring break starts tomorrow at 12 p.m. So we're gonna join tomorrow, and we have early release at 12 p.m. Then next week is spring break, and we come back April 5th.
Okay.
Question, Ms.
Yeah.
Bridget.
Might have an answer. Go ahead.
I was about to say you're going. If we don't get through this, like these little pages and all, when I come back on April 5th, I can give you a candy for we don't have to keep doing the Constitution.
No, we're not going to do the Constitution until we finish it. We're reviewing the Constitution. Once again, the Constitution is really long. When we come back, we're going to have a new different thing.
Okay, good.
Now, Samira, during spring break, for asking that question, you have to write the whole Constitution and bring it back to me.
With Samira.
Does that seem fair to everybody else? Samira writes the Constitution by herself. Oh, yeah. I see a yes over here.
This whole pages, and then I have to write the lines, and then go on to the next page and write that page again.
1 minute. What?
Ooh, Eric get in trouble. I wish I was there right now. I'd be like, yeah, Miss Bridget, go ahead. You go, girl. My class is acting up without me. Horace. How are you doing? That's good. I like your hair. What you doing? What you doing, Horace? Same.
It's just air. All righty. There are many sections to the Articles of Confederation. The Constitution, sorry. And there are many articles as well. Each article is going to be target a specific issue or concern, right? So Article 1 is the legislator. Remember, what does the legislator do?
They're just like a law.
Make the laws. Very good. Now, they make the laws. Who's part of the legislator? The legislative.
The government.
The government, which is Congress. And Congress has two parts. Congress has the House of Representatives and the Senate. How many House of Representatives do we have?
4 something.
435. Is it an equal number across for all states, or does it change?
It's equal number for all. No, it changes. Depends how big the state.
Depends on how big the state is. The Senate?
It stays
Equal across, or it changes?
equal across.
It's equal across. How many Senates do we get per state?
2.
2. Very good. Executive branch. Go to page 196. 196, social studies.
This page?
Does it say the Article 2, the executive? Yeah? Page 196. Horace, get your book.
Do it say section 1, the president?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm on the page.
Okay, waiting. I'm gonna wait for Horace to get on the same page.
Sadly, tomorrow I can't dress up like you, Miss Bridget.
Tyson is right next to me because he's working. That's okay.
I'm gonna cry. Give me a moment.
Ready, Horace? Page 196. Now, page 196. So we talked about the legislative branch. It's fine. It's spring break. It's not going to affect. It's almost spring break. So, the Article 2. Article 2 is what? What is it based on?
The executive
The executive branch. And who's part of the executive branch?
president.
The President of the United States. Samira, on page 196, please read the first blue box on the left side. You're on mute.
Executive branch. The president is the chief of the executive branch. It is the job of the president to enforce the laws. The farmers wanted to
The framers, not farmers.
The framers wanted to presidents and vice presidents term of all the manner of selections to be different from those members of Congress. They decided on four-year terms, but they had a difficult time agreeing on how to select the president and vice president. The framers finally set up an electoral system which varies greatly from our electoral process today.
All right. So the president is in charge of upholding the laws, making sure the laws are being passed and everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing. Okay. How many terms can a president serve? 1 or 2?
2.
2. How many years are in each term?
First they do 2 years.
4.
4 years are in 1 term. So a president can serve up to how many years?
2. 9.
How many years?
2.
8 years, 2 terms. They can serve up to 8 years, 2 terms. Okay?
Like this.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I did this. Yep. Yes. So after those 8 years or 2 terms, they cannot be president again. Now, how do we vote for this president, Horace?
Excuse me.
When you laugh, what do? You reinforce the behavior. You reinforce him doing this next time because he's getting the reaction. He's getting a reaction out of it.
No, I didn't want no reaction. I'm sorry. It just came out of my mouth. I'm sorry. I couldn't. When you burp, you can't stop it.
I hold it in.
I tried holding it in, but it just.
What?
No reaction.
Yeah, I don't. Okay, it didn't want a reaction, but next time, Leo, we hold it in. Passing gas through the mouth or through the butt, normal. Okay, normal. Okay. Now, how do we vote for the president, Horace? I just gave away the answer. How do we choose a president, Horace? What do we do? Every 4 years, what do we do?
We vote for a new president.
Horace. What do we do every 4 years when we want a new president? When we get a new president? We vote, right? We vote for a new president in the presidential election. This is where we vote for the president, the vice president, and any other person we wanted, the judges, the mayor, so on and so forth.